Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to trim videos in OBS in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure to like or subscribe for more videos like these. So, to get started, what you want to do is, in OBS, you want to create a scene using the plus sign. After you've created a scene, you want to head over to the plus sign again, and you want to create a media source. After you've created a media source, make sure that you find the correct file location of the video you want to adjust and trim. After you've pasted in, what you want to do is head over to the filters tab. Then what you want to do here is you want to crop/pad. And here you have 4 different values you can adjust, which are the 4 different corners of the video. You can type in whatever values you like, and as you can see, if I put in 100 in every single one of them, the video starts to move. So after you've adjusted these settings, if you want to create a quick adjustment, you can move the slider to move around the video. As you can see here, it'll be moving around. And after you've done that, you will have a trimmed video that you can have saved in OBS and to use however you like. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.